I'm Jess Davies. I'm an environmental scientist and I'm part of the QUENCH coordination team. I work on a range of projects relating to soils, land and food systems, and I'm part of the Sustainable Soils group at Lancaster. In this video, I want to highlight 3 things I can bring to the QUENCH network. The first is a relevant area of knowledge that could be useful. I'm interested in urban soils, their ecosystem services and how humans affect soil functioning in urban environments. A research student in our group, Rashina Radin, has recently wrote a great review article on urban soils and ecosystem services. There's a link to this in the video description below. You can also find a link to other papers such as her work on urban soil carbon and the sealed surfaces and green space surfaces in Manchester. I also bring to the network a question that QUENCH has prompted for me. So that question is, does urban soil quality matter for nature connectedness and health? So for example, is our connection with nature affected if we are gardening in the ground, in soils in situ, where they're more likely to be ecologically functioning and perhaps more likely to be contaminated, compared to a situation where you're gardening in a raised bed that's filled with compost and that soil is not functioning the same way as an ecosystem compared to in situ soils. So does it matter where we get our hands dirty, basically? And finally, I'd like to contribute a method, and that's modelling. I am the developer of a terrestrial nutrient cycling model where we've simulated long-term changes in plant and soil carbon stores across the UK in the past and in the future. We've not applied this to urban environments yet, and I think it would be a really interesting tool for exploring changes to soil quality in urban environments. So that's it, my 3 contributions. Thanks very much for listening, and if you're interested in collaboration, then please do get in touch.